Hey guys, Wolfie De Loba here, and so I updated the train layout video. I've done a little bit of work on the locomotive here. It's by Bachman, and let's see if it runs. Still a bit noisy, but once I get some grease, it should be fixed up. Oh, it's starting to smoke there. I also have this diesel engine here that I'm working on currently. Still got a lot of work I'm doing to repair it and fix it up. Motor runs fine, I just haven't gotten it to work properly. I took the original circuit board out and added some jumper wires temporarily. Thinking about installing DCC. And that's pretty much it. Over here I have an in-scale layout. I got a I believe this is a GP30 diesel locomotive. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's by Santa Fe. It's got the war bonnet blue and yellow theme on it. It is in scale. It is also by Bachman. Oops. Get that fixed here soon. These are the few of the other scale railroad cars I have. Not very much. I got one really cool, highly detailed one by CP. It's a Canadian Pacific Rail. It's got a knuckle couplers, which is a bit odd because I have mostly horn hook on my layout. The diesel locomotive, before I took it apart, had knuckle couplers on it, but I had trouble with it working, so that's one reason I took it apart. That's pretty much it. I also have a bit more straight track to kind of expanding the layout a little bit into the table over here. And that is it.